Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Govee Floor Lamp to your phone. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and control their Govee Floor Lamp with their phone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So there's two preparation steps we need to take first. Now, I'm going to use my iPhone as an example, but the first step is that you want to go into the App Store or the Google Play Store and install the Govee Home app and register for an account. It's free to download and it's also free to register. Next, go ahead and make sure that you have Bluetooth turned on and also that your Wi-Fi is turned on and connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Afterwards, let's go ahead and connect our Govee Floor Lamp and make sure that it's turned on. When you first connect your Govee Floor Lamp to the outlet, it should automatically turn on. So after you connect it to an outlet, you want to go ahead and make sure that your homepage is going to look like different from mine, just simply because I have Govee products already installed. But if you're brand new to Govee, then you should see a blank homepage that looks like this. Next, click on the plus icon on the upper right hand corner, and it's automatically going to scan for nearby Govee devices. Now, your floor lamp, like I mentioned before, should be connected, so click on Add, and it should appear on the top-hand side. It's going to start connecting, and then next, you want to go ahead and make sure that you name your floor lamp. So because this is going in our guest room, we're just going to type in guest floor lamp room. Or we'll actually put this in our office lamp, then click on done. Then you want to go ahead and start pairing the remote. So you just need to press any button on the remote for it to pair. So we're just going to click the power button and then it's going to go ahead and start blinking. Next, you need to set up the Wi-Fi settings. If you've connected to the Wi-Fi before, earlier in the video, it should automatically fill in here. Click on done. Now, if you give it a couple seconds, your Govee floor lamp should connect to the Wi-Fi and you should see an on-screen prompt that says the connection has been successful. Afterwards, you can now go ahead and control your Govee floor lamp using your phone. So you can click onto the lamp and you can change the scenes, the colors, you can set a timer, etc. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Govee floor lamp to your phone. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.